How to delete your chat photo history. Let's get started. For that, first of all, open up your ChatGPT application in your mobile device and then log in to your account. Once logged in, you want to go ahead and simply tap on this little icon, then select images. Now inside here, you will see all the images saved to your account. If you want to remove a specific image, simply press and hold on the image, and then you can simply tap on remove from library. That image will instantly disappear from your image history. Now, if you want to completely wipe your image history, here's how you can do it. You want to go ahead and simply tap on your profile icon. Inside here, scroll below, then simply tap on data controls. Scroll below, tap on delete all chats. Now you'll see a warning letting you know that this will permanently delete all the chat and images connected to your account. If you're sure, you can simply tap on confirm, and that's it. Your ChatGPT photo history will be removed. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, consider subscribing to our channel and liking this video.